Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I miss my divines as always. Welcome to the channel if you're new to the channel. And as you can see in the title, today I am making a lovely tropical smoothie, and I am actually adding some curry powder to it. Okay, so this will be my first time trying this with you all as well. All the information will be in the description as always, and this recipe is very good for inflammation. It can be very energizing and detoxing as well, but I will put all that information in the description. The ingredients I'm using frozen fruit. I'm using mango, pineapple, and peaches. And I'm also using some coconut milk and some coconut water. And I'm also using some lime zest and some salt and some curry powder. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the coconut milk in. I'm going to go ahead and put the coconut water in. I'm going to go ahead and put the lovely frozen fruit in as well. I'm going to go ahead and put the lime zest and the sea salt in. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lovely curry powder in as well. Okay, we are going to go ahead and blend this lovely tropical curry smoothie up. And remember, you can tweak your ingredients how you like it, but at the end of the day, you want to make your smoothie smooth and creamy, and everyone has their own preference. I'm using frozen fruit, so it's going to be nice and cooling and everything. And as always, like I said, I will leave the tips and everything in the description. Alright, and you want to give it about a good 30 to 60 seconds. And now it's very nice and smooth and creamy. I don't know if you can see in the blender, but you can see the consistency. Okay, and now we are going to pour it in my lovely smoothie cup. Okay, I love to show the consistency of my smoothies in my videos. I'm going to show you. We are going to go ahead and try this lovely tropical curry smoothie. I can't believe there's curry, but it smells like pina colada. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. So remember, we have frozen pineapple, peaches, and mango. And we had our lime zest and our sea salt and our curry powder and our coconut milk and our coconut water. And this is even good in the winter time to drink as well. All right, let's try it. You're supposed to use just a half a teaspoon of curry powder. I tasted very faint, just very faint at the end, but I don't really taste it that much. Tiny, teeny hint. But remember, you can tweak these recipes the way you want, but this smoothie is amazing. I love it. It's really good. Oh my goodness, divines. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite smoothies. I really like it a lot, and I hope you do as well. Always, I want you all to continue to be blessed, and I will definitely be making a lot of more smoothies. I love smoothies during the spring and summer, and I look forward to sharing more of those with you. Be sure to check out my other smoothie and juicing videos. As always, I want you all to be well, be true to yourself, peace,